R. Roy in Tech. Introducing the serviceable innovative ideas.
Welcome you back to this new video where we are in the second part of the theoretical part of this course, thanks to our creator. So the second part of the theoretical part of this course is identification and uses of training materials. As we know, first, since this course is mostly about practical, so we need to get ourselves to know the materials we'll be using to construct the modified rechargeable lamp, and also to know its usefulness in each part of the torchlight we are building. So we'll be talking about the battery, the module, the switch, the connecting wires, the LED, the resistor, and the casing. So the first one is the battery. So as I put into bracket, the soul. So the battery in this case is like the soul of the rechargeable lamp. So this is the kind of battery we'll be using. So the type of this battery is what? Lithium battery. So this battery is one of the best battery recently into this world recently. Although I've seen some news on battery companies producing new batteries having more benefits. Also, some months ago I heard about a battery. I think is built by nuclear battery, in which if you are to charge it fully, so you have to use it for like 100 years before recharging again. I hope it will be in commercial use as soon as possible, because it's a good idea. So back to our course here. So the kind of battery we are using here is what? Lithium batteries, and this is the type of battery Tesla is using. That's the company of the most richest man in the world presently. So he is also using lithium batteries for his electric vehicles. So the name of this battery is 18650. So if you have to search online, if you have to type just 18650 batteries, so it will bring this battery to you. Also, the nominal voltage of this battery is 3.7 volts, meaning that the battery, meaning that let's say the average voltage for this battery, let's call it the average voltage, it can be reduced to 0.00 and it can increase. The fully charged is 4.2 or 4.1, either of the two, but maximum is 4.2. So the current rating, and also before we move further, the nominal voltage is 3.7 volts. So that means the unit of voltage is volts, that is in VV. So the current ratings varies. So if you have to look, that's why I brought the three type of battery here. So if you have to look at the first one from the left, you see after ICR, you see 18650, the name of the battery, and we have 1800, small letter M, capital letter A and H. So if you have to call that, that would be 1800 milliamps hour. I don't know if you know about previous. So previous is like in calculation here regarding batteries per se. The small letter M means mini, milli, which is approximately to 1 over 1000. So we are to, so before that, we said we have 1800 milliamps hour. The ratings, or shall I say the unit of current is ampere, and is also called and it is denoted as caps letter A. So we have hour here, means that if you are it means that this battery can give out a maximum current of 1800 milliamps in 1 hour. So that's the meaning of that amps hour. And if you look at the second battery, the middle one, you will see that is 1200 amps milliamps hour, and the third one is 3000. Oh, okay, sorry, I think that's 30,000 milliamps hour. Although I haven't seen this kind of battery which will be 30,000 milliamps hour. So you can see that it varies, so it depends on where you get your battery. And also, before we proceed, if you are to look at, okay, let's move on to the power rating. So the unit for power ratings also varies, and also the unit of the unit of uh, power is watt hour. So, and also I want you to look at each of the battery. You see at the tip of the battery, you see like there's a line there. The first one, the second one, and third one, at half below the tip of the battery. So this is one of the ways to indicate the positive and the negative of this kind of battery, because in DC electricity it's very important to know um, the positive and the negative what's it called, the positive and the negative terminal. Good, the positive and negative terminal. So it's very very important. It's unlike AC electricity, which positive and negative terminal are not necessary. That's why if you are to plug in your charger or AC cord into a AC socket, power socket, and you see that it's shaking, you can just turn it around and also plug in and it will work. But in when we are talking about DC electricity, so you have to be very careful and to be very vigilant regarding the AC, regarding the positive and negative terminal. So let's quickly do a little calculation under battery under this battery. Okay, or let's make it in our next video. Thank you, bye for now, see you in the next video.